Ratchet Rocket combines the convenience of a mini tool with the speed of a reversing ratchet. The fine-tooth ratchet mechanism offers a reverse lever and thumb wheel for quick rotation, offering control in tight areas. In addition to the removable reversing ratchet, the composite-bodied micro tool kit holds individual hardened steel tool bits. The ingenious tool also features an integrated cast chromoly steel chain tool head compatible with all single and multi-speed bicycle chains, including hollow pin chains, and includes a chain pin breaker. The Ratchet Rocket and 2 hard anodized aluminum tire levers fit neatly within a rubberized quick click case.